Hello there. Welcome to the video of finding the sum of the summation k equal 1 to 210 of 3k plus 5 using the formula S sub n is equal to n divided by 2 times a quantity a sub 1 plus a sub n. Now we can use that formula because if we wrote out the terms that were being added together in the summation, those terms would make an arithmetic sequence. So we're then allowed to use the formula for the partial sum of an arithmetic sequence. Now to find this, we need to find our value of n. So we want to find our value of n. We want to find the a sub 1, and we also need to find a sub n. So to start with, let's look at n. Well, n is equal to, our summation starts at 1 and it goes to 210. So it's important to look at both endpoints of the summation. And since it starts at 1 and goes to 210, our n is 210. That will be how many terms we have that are added together. Next up, we want to find our a sub 1. A sub 1 is when k is equal to 1. So we have 3 times 1 plus 5, which gives us an a sub 1 of 8. A sub n is our a sub 210, again from n being 210. So we are going to go to our formula in the summation, take out the k and put in 210. So it's 3 times 210 plus 5, which is 630 plus 5, or 635. Now, certainly we could plug in k equal 1, get the value, plus plug in k equal 2, get the value, plus plug in k equal 3, get the value, etc., all the way up to 210. But this formula will actually take care of jumping us to that total without having to do all that work. We just need to put the values in this formula for the partial sum. So here we have our S sub 210 is equal to 210 divided by 2. So again, that is our value of n times our a sub 1 is 8 plus, and then our a sub n, and then our a 635. So now as we do those calculations, S sub 210 is equal to 105 times our 643, and you get S sub 210 is equal to 67,515. And that's how you use your sum for your partial sum of the arithmetic sequences to find a summation, when if you wrote out the terms that are involved in the summation, it would be an arithmetic sequence.